Hello, and welcome to Protein Structure Model Cafe, where I'll be showing you our structures of DNA. Today, you'll have spaghetti and noodles and cranberries because it's the only thing we have on our menu. So, for our first dish, we have the primary structure. So, this is a sequence of amino acids defined by a gene. So sequence of amino acids are coded by a gene that joins to form a polypeptide. And as you can see here, the noodle is straight and the structure of the primary is linear. Next, we have our secondary structure. This is when the polypeptides coil or fold in a specific manner. And it can be either a alpha helix, like here, or a pleated sheet. So an alpha helix occurs when there's a hydrogen bond every fourth amino acid. I tried to make 4 with, I just marked Sharpie and cranberry. And the pleated sheets occur when the polypeptides fold themselves over the extended length of a polypeptide chain and then fold back onto itself. So it's just basically folded up like this. And keep in mind these are supposed to be 3D. So I try to make this 3D and this one should be as well. And the shapes it can be are spiral or zigzag. And next we have our tertiary structure. This is folding that results in the 3D shape of a polypeptide or a protein. So interactions of amino acid side chains with water between the R groups actually determine the shape. So the folding process here that occurs in the polypeptides happens actually as a result of the polarity of the amino acids within the polypeptide chains here. So globular proteins have this kind of structure, and typically the hydrophilic want to be with the water and hydrophobic want to be away from the water, which affects the shape. And it tends to be squiggly, folded, but it is also 3-dimensional, which is also important to keep in mind. And finally, we have our quaternary structure. So some proteins contain this structure because it has actually more than one polypeptide. So this happens, this shape happens as a result when 2 or more folded polypeptides interact to perform a biological function. So it's 3D and it's overlapping in several fold.